Tomahawk Android player, T3 LUI, Android version 11. This is a 1 GB RAM and 16 GB storage. And have another model, two GB RAM and 16 GB storage. Equalizer 12 band. Seven preset. And play music, radio, and Waze. Have Google Map, and YouTube. Two plus 16. Two plus 16 can support AHD camera. One cat cannot support AHD camera. Can preset the navigation to the shortcut, to the Navy shortcut. Radio, and can connect Bluetooth with phone to pick up call when you're driving. This model have 4 themes to choose. And a simple voice control. Just support the Mandarin. And function is open the navigation, open the Bluetooth, open music, open radio, and open the video only. Can call screen, screensaver mode, and touch anywhere will wake up the screen. Another screensaver have crop and deck. Video by 1 bit. Thank you.